Hello and welcome again to Clean Nuts. Today we are inserting a Rivnut, an M8 Rivnut in that hole. So we just want a nice snug fit because we can't get the nut on after we've assembled the car. Oh, there it goes. We've got it in a Rivnut tool which squeezes it down. So we're going to put a little bit of Loctite around the flange. So we don't want it slipping when it's in use. So we'll insert the Rivnut in, snugly home. Now this is literally one of those jobs where you need three hands. I'll be holding the sleeve at the bottom straight, stop that spinning round, which actually helps stop the Rivnut spinning round. Then we'll apply pressure on the nut, just there, and we'll hold the bolt still with the ratchet driver. You do have to apply a lot of pressure. Once we get going, it starts to squeeze out. It's just like a giant pop rivet. You're pulling it together with a threaded bar. Making it look easy, it's extremely tight. You can imagine that bolt is working its way up, pulling the bottom of the Rivnut up, forming a bulge beneath the metal.
Go on.
It's really tight. So just spin the bolt out and we're done. There you go, that's how you use a tool to insert an M8 Rivnut. Hope you enjoyed it, catch you next time.